Okay, good afternoon, guys. It's me. Like I promised you that I will be making a video so that you can be able to see how to get quick, huge movements. Let's start uh, on a weekly time frame so that we can be able to see the market structure. When we look at the market structure, we can clearly tell that we are on a bullish momentum for now. Why? Because the market was just getting higher, high, higher, low, higher high, higher low, and then higher high. Here we can say it's another lower low, where but there is liquidity here, but it's also pushing up. But then it's fine. This is our current low of the market, and this is our current high. Remember, it is the weekly time frame. Let's go straight to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we need where the market is touched and reversed. I'm talking about the places like this one, touch, reverse, and then a break, touch, reverse, break, touch, and then it reverse. Now it seems like it's coming here so that it can be able to go back up. I believe that this week, when it comes to the US 30, it could be the retracement week where we are coming here so that we can be able to push up. So now in the 4 hour time frame, when I go back to the 4 hour time frame now, you see what I was saying. I feel like the market is coming into this zone here so that it can be able to continue with its trend momentum. Here, we can still put the zones where the market is touching to first. You see touch, touch, break, touch, reverse, touch. You see break, touch, and then now it has a break in here. What I feel now, it's going to t- test here so that it can be able to drop down. So another thing, when we apply a trend line, when we look at the trend line like this on a 4 hour time frame, what do we see? We can clearly see that we have two touches. So the third touch, I think we will be moving up as well. But remember, the main strategy of this video, it's all about the bank zones. Here I was just explaining about the market structure. So what we can clearly want to do now, how can we know about this bank zone? You need to be using a trading view, even if it's not a trading view, but if you're using a meter trade, if you are able to spot the what you call the period separator, good for you. Now you see I have placed my period separator. Now I have this horizontal line. This is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and this is Monday. When I put this line here, this is the movement that happened unto the previous week that we are coming from, and until here. Now I can come straight to 30 minutes time frame. On my trading view, I am going to select an indicator that called sessions on chart, or sessions on chart, which it includes the London, Tokyo, and New York. So what we're gonna do here, we are going to concentrate only onto the New York session, because remember this is where the rush of New York session take place. Now on this gray line, this is where now the New York it has opened. But we need to find the bank zone. How can I find the bank zone? Okay, now we start. Remember, this horizontal line, it signifies the Monday. When I look at here, what do we have here onto this session when it opened? As you can see right here, it is 3:30. I'm talking about right here, 4:30 and 3. This is the zone that we can say it is a major zone for us on on Monday. This is the bank zone that happened on the previous day. What do we see when we check at the back? Do we still have a previous bank zone? Yes, right here, 4:30. When I put my line like this, you see, and if I put my line like this, what do we see here? Look at here. It almost touched this bank zone, but unfortunately, it didn't happen. What do we have here again? And to the previous week, it was Tuesday here. Do we have a zone? Yes, a zone inside New York session. It is a bank zone. Again, I put my line here because it is the high that was created unto the session of New York until late. So this is was the high of Tuesday, and then now on Monday, because we are on Monday and we are looking what happened, because what happened, it will repeat itself when it comes to the market, guys. Look what happened. Remember, we only want to take a trade on New York session. All along here, it was Tokyo and London. Now, when New York session opened here on the gray line, it was what time? Look at here on this candle. It was um 3 o'clock. It breaks here to show that you know what today we are buying. And when you buy, you are going to buy, you target another bank zone. Where is it? Here. As you can look at here. Look at this move, guys. Look at this wonderful move. And then you just place your stop shot at least uh, right here. It came, it was 400 and something pips on one day. This was one day. And now we are coming to Tuesday. Tuesday, it's here because there's a period separator, and this is the session. Now we are coming to Tuesday. When we come to Tuesday again, what we have to do? Remember, we have the major lines that we have placed, and do we have the what you call the bank zone? Yes, here. Again, it happened when the session opens. It was 3. It almost hit our zone, but we wait. When we wait for it to break. The moment it breaks here, we wait for the retest, and then we enter the market right here after the confirmation of the candlestick. Remember, we take the profit again into another bank zone. Remember, this bank zone was created on that day. So it means I am going to target that particular zone. Look at here. Nice trade. It came here and then it came here and then it take our profit here. It went. This is Wednesday. Again, Tuesday, I mean Wednesday, Thursday, we need to check bank zone. This is the high inside in New York, which is the bank zone, and the low inside the New York, which is another bank zone. So anything here, we were waiting for the market to open. The moment it came here, it was dropping all along, and it gave us this candlestick. There is no we enter here, we target another bank, the same bank zone. You see, and then you we just put our stop loss here. Same thing applies. On Friday, what happened? Do we have a bank zone? Yes. Here, this is the bank, this is the high was created on during New York session, and this is the low created during New York. When New York opened, look at the very same day. Now it breaks here and it when it opens here, it came and then it break here. It break these major bank zone. It came and tested. What time was it? It was around you see 5:30. You target again another bank zone. Look at these moves, guys. You come and then you just take your profit here. Hello, hello, hello. I'm sorry, guys. I was on a phone call, and then you see, as I was saying, this is the bank zone, and then it came. Guys, this is the end of the video. If you like it, please share, subscribe, comment, and tell me if you like it.